Welcome to the video. Today, we're going to show you how to disable email notifications in the Waze app on your phone. If you're tired of receiving updates or promotional emails from Waze, this step-by-step guide will help you turn them off quickly and easily right from the app settings. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications. Now, select the Email tab at the top to manage your email notification preferences. Then, toggle off the switch next to Receive All Email Notifications. This will disable all future email communications from Waze. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Save to confirm your changes. This ensures that your preferences are applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications in the Waze app. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and check out our other tech tips.